Siddhartha. Welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to discussing about the internship opportunity at American Express. To get internship in the American Express, for that, what is the criteria and eligibilities, and we are going to see in this video. So before that, American Express organizing a Makeathon 2022. So in that they are going to recruit the interns and also providing the full-time opportunities. So let's go to the in detail. So for that you need to go to the Hackerearth website. Hackerearth. In the Hackerearth you can see the competitions. In the competitions, just you need to click on American Express. After click on American Express, you can go see this another new tab. So here you can see the American Express Makeathon 2022. So starts on January 25th and ends on February 20. So February 20 and for idea submission phase. For prototyping phase starts on March 9th to and ends on the March 28th. So let's go to the in detail. So this hackathon is for exclusively for women only. So after the tremendous success of the two last hackathons, American Express is back with the 2022 edition in a brand new year avatar. Now, this is the time for women in the tech to rise up, shake up the shadows of the COVID, and create something groundbreaking with Makeathon 2022. This team-based competition follows the standard hackathon format with an idea submission phase round 1 and the prototyping phase round 2. Teams will have opportunity to choose one out of 4 existing themes centered on the ever dynamic fintech universe. So to add the experience and learning, each team that makes it prototype phase will be coached by a mentor from American Express leading into the finale. The opportunity to grow, learn and become a better engineer just doubled up. So without any further ado, let's get making. So winners stand an opportunity to pursue career opportunities at American Express Technologies. So who is eligible? Like this is only for women. So girls, students who are currently pursuing any technical degree from recognized engineering college in India. Who are eligible for this? Women students graduating in the year 2023 and 2024 are eligible for this hackathon. Next, students currently pursuing any technical degree from recognized engineering college in India. Next, winning team opportunities. What you will get? So 2023 graduating batch winners will be eligible for a 6-month internship or a full-time job opportunity at American Express company. Then for 2024 batch winners will be eligible for the either 24-week or a summer internship at American Express. So guys, it's a wonderful opportunity for you. So to prove yourself. Then next, themes. So first theme is a digital lending. So just I'm going to have some overview only. Then after we're going to the another 4 themes are then, right? So we are going to discuss one by one theme. So here the large segments of the population, particularly micro, small and medium-sized companies, lack advocate access of formal lending. So borrowers may be unable to provide financial data. Loan applicants can be lengthy and complicated. Credit is often concerned by high collateral requirements or insufficient size or maturity, making it difficult to get up unappealing. So this is the overview of the first theme. Then let's go to the second theme is investment solutions. So what is an investment solution? So Investechs are leading the innovation and challenging in the domain of the investment management. So you need to understand the funding trends shaping the global Investech landscape. Then third one is the smart cities. So as you know, the developers and entrepreneur designer professors and the researchers and hackathon enthusiasts interested in making their city a better place for invited to come together and invent solutions that will make our city more efficient and intelligent place to live in collaboratively. So this is the third theme. The fourth theme is the open innovation under fintech. So fintech requires the people who can create new and innovative financial products while also building a cyber fortnox. Utilize the cutting edge technologies to make positive and meaningful impacts on the relationship between the customer and the financial institutions. So you need to design and build and the expressional solutions and products for the hackathon for the fintech industry. So these are the 4 themes provided by the American Express company for this hackathon. So prizes. So first position winner 75,000. As you mentioned in the previously, full-time opportunity with American Express and gift hampers. Second position winner, so cash prize they are getting 50,000, and also with that they are also getting the full-time and internship opportunities with American Express, as I mentioned previously. With that also you are getting gift hampers. Then for third position, so INR 30,000 you are going to get for third winner. So for that also, for third winner also getting a full-time or internship opportunity at American Express, and also with that gift hampers also they are providing for the first, second, third winners. So this is a wonderful opportunity for girls. Please utilize this opportunity. There are only two rounds. First round is idea submission and second round is prototyping. So if your idea has been accepted, then if your idea is accepted and shortlisted for the second round, then you're almost done. Then next, go to the rules. So you know, the previously only we discussed about the eligibility criteria. So only the women students graduating in the year 2023 and 2024 batch only, they are allowed to register and also participate in this American Express Makeathon 2022. So how many members as a team they can form is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So max 4 members. Max 4 members need to form a team. So as I mentioned previously, first round will be the shortly idea submission. Second round will be the prototyping. So deadlines. So as you know, it starts from January 25th and ends on February 20th. So more 12 days are there. So please register. So in the description, I am providing the links for the both in the Hackerearth link, and also I'm providing the American Express Makeathon 2022 registration link also I'm providing in the description. So yeah, that's all about the internship American Express Makeathon 2022. Thank you. If you please subscribe my channel, and please share to this video to your friends. It may be useful for them. So thank you everyone.